Reading. Reading provides a myriad of benefits across cognitive, emotional, and social dimensions. Here are some key advantages. Cognitive benefits. Enhanced mental stimulation. Reading engages the brain, keeping it active and stimulated. It involves mental processes such as comprehension, analysis, and critical thinking. Improved knowledge and vocabulary. Reading exposes individuals to new information, ideas, and perspectives, contributing to the expansion of knowledge and vocabulary. Cognitive development in children. Reading to children fosters language development and cognitive skills, laying the foundation for academic success. Sharper analytical skills. Analyzing complex narratives or informational texts sharpens analytical and problem-solving skills. Emotional and psychological benefits. Stress reduction. Immersing oneself in a good book can serve as a form of escapism, reducing stress levels and promoting relaxation. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Fictional literature, in particular, allows readers to step into the shoes of characters, fostering empathy and emotional intelligence. Increased emotional resilience. Reading about characters overcoming challenges and adversity can inspire readers and contribute to increased emotional resilience. Mindfulness and focus. Reading requires concentration and focus, promoting mindfulness and helping individuals stay present in the moment. Social benefits. Improved communication skills. Exposure to diverse writing styles and vocabulary enhances communication skills, both written and verbal. Cultural awareness. Reading exposes individuals to different cultures, perspectives, and historical contexts, fostering cultural awareness and understanding. Community building. Book clubs and reading groups provide opportunities for social interaction, discussions, and the building of a sense of community. Lifelong learning and personal growth. Continuous learning. Reading allows individuals to explore new subjects, ideas, and concepts, supporting a lifelong learning mindset. Personal growth. Inspirational and self-help books can contribute to personal development, motivation, and the pursuit of goals. Practical benefits. Academic success. Reading regularly is associated with improved academic performance, as it enhances critical thinking and comprehension skills. Professional development. Reading relevant materials in one's field or industry supports ongoing professional development. Conclusion. In essence, reading is a powerful tool for personal and intellectual development. Whether for pleasure, education, or personal growth, the habit of reading provides a wealth of benefits that extend beyond the simple enjoyment of a good story. Exercise. Exercise offers a wide range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Here are some key advantages. Physical benefits. Weight management. Regular exercise helps in maintaining a healthy weight by burning calories and increasing metabolism. Cardiovascular health. Aerobic exercises strengthen the heart and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Muscle and bone health. Weight-bearing exercises enhance bone density and muscle strength, decreasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Improved flexibility and balance. Stretching and balance exercises enhance flexibility, coordination, and reduce the risk of falls, especially in older adults. Enhanced immune system. Moderate exercise can boost the immune system, reducing the likelihood of illnesses and infections. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction. Exercise helps in the release of endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers, promoting a sense of well-being. Improved mood. Physical activity stimulates the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, contributing to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Better sleep. Regular exercise can improve the quality of sleep and help with insomnia by promoting relaxation. Cognitive function. Exercise is associated with better cognitive function, including improved memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Reduced risk of cognitive decline. Physical activity has been linked to a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Long-term health benefits. Disease prevention. Regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and hypertension. Improved cardiovascular function. Exercise contributes to better cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Increased longevity. Leading an active lifestyle has been associated with a longer and healthier life. Social benefits. Community and social interaction. Group exercises or team sports provide opportunities for socializing and building a sense of community. Enhanced self-esteem. Achieving fitness goals can boost self-esteem and confidence. Healthy lifestyle habits. Regular exercise often leads to adopting other healthy habits, such as a balanced diet and reduced tobacco and alcohol consumption. Conclusion. The benefits of exercise are multidimensional, impacting various aspects of physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Incorporating regular physical activity into one's routine is a powerful investment in overall health and quality of life. Planning goal setting. Planning and goal setting are essential components of personal and professional development. They provide a roadmap for achieving objectives and aspirations, helping individuals and organizations to stay focused and motivated. Here's a breakdown of the concepts. Planning. Definition. Planning involves the process of defining goals, determining the actions needed to achieve those goals, and outlining the resources required for successful execution. Key elements of planning. Goal identification. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Analysis. Assess the current situation and identify factors that may impact the achievement of goals. This may involve a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Strategic thinking. Devise strategies to reach your goals. Consider various approaches, anticipate challenges, and create contingency plans. Resource allocation. Identify the resources, time, money, manpower, etc., required for each step of the plan. Timeline. Develop a realistic timeline or schedule. This helps in organizing tasks and setting deadlines for achieving milestones. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly assess progress against the plan, making adjustments as necessary. This ensures that the plan remains relevant and effective. Goal setting. Definition. Goal setting is the process of establishing specific, measurable objectives that an individual or organization aims to achieve within a defined timeframe. Key elements of goal setting. Clarity. Clearly define your goals. Ambiguous goals make it challenging to develop effective strategies. Specificity. Make goals specific and well-defined. Vague goals can be difficult to measure and achieve. Measurability. Establish criteria for measuring progress and success. Quantifiable goals provide a clear indicator of achievement. Achievability. Ensure that your goals are realistic and attainable. Setting overly ambitious goals without a practical plan can lead to frustration. Relevance. Align goals with your overall values, priorities, and long-term objectives. Relevant goals are more motivating and meaningful. Time-bound. Set deadlines for achieving goals. This creates a sense of urgency and helps in prioritizing tasks. Relationship between planning and goal setting. Integration. Planning and goal setting go hand in hand. A well-structured plan typically includes a set of goals, and achieving those goals is often a critical part of the overall plan. Feedback loop. Planning involves continuous monitoring and evaluation, providing feedback that can inform adjustments to goals and strategies. Motivation. Clearly defined goals provide motivation for planning and taking action. The planning process, in turn, helps in creating a roadmap for goal achievement. Benefits of planning and goal setting. Direction and focus. Provides a clear direction and focus for efforts, reducing the likelihood of distractions and wasted resources. Motivation. Setting and achieving goals creates a sense of accomplishment and motivation to tackle more challenges. Organization. Organizes tasks and activities, making them more manageable and efficient. Measurable progress. Allows for the measurement of progress, enabling adjustments and improvements as needed. Decision-making. Assists in decision-making by providing a structured framework for evaluating options and making informed choices. In summary, effective planning and goal setting are foundational to success in personal and professional endeavors. They provide a structured approach to achieving desired outcomes and contribute to continuous improvement and growth. Improve your skills. Improving skills is a continuous and valuable process that contributes to personal and professional development. Whether you're looking to enhance technical expertise, soft skills, or any other competency, the following steps can guide your journey toward skill improvement. Self-assessment. Identify current skills, understand your existing skills and knowledge. This serves as a baseline for setting improvement goals. SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to assess your current skill set in relation to your goals. Set clear goals. Specific and measurable objectives. Clearly define what skills you want to improve. Make goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Long-term and short-term goals. Break down your skill improvement into manageable short-term goals that contribute to long-term objectives. Create a learning plan. Identify learning resources, explore courses, workshops, books, online tutorials, and other resources that align with your skill improvement goals. Schedule regular learning time. Dedicate specific time in your schedule for learning and skill development. Practice regularly. Consistent practice, regular and consistent practice is essential for skill improvement. Whether it's coding, writing, public speaking, or any other skill, practice is key. Real-world application, apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Practical experience enhances understanding and proficiency. Seek feedback. Constructive feedback, request feedback from mentors, peers, or instructors. Constructive criticism provides insights into areas that need improvement. Reflective practices, reflect on your own performance and identify areas for improvement. This self-awareness is crucial for skill development. Join communities and networks. Professional organizations, join relevant professional organizations and communities. Networking exposes you to industry trends and provides opportunities for collaborative learning. Online platforms, engage with online forums, social media groups, or other platforms where professionals in your field share insights and experiences. Mentorship. Find a mentor, seek guidance from experienced individuals in your field. A mentor can provide valuable advice, share experiences, and offer constructive feedback. Reverse mentorship. Consider engaging in reverse mentorship, where you learn from individuals with different skills or perspectives. Stay updated. Continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Stay informed about industry developments, new tools, and emerging trends. Professional development courses. Enroll in courses that offer certifications or credentials to demonstrate your commitment to ongoing learning. Adaptability and flexibility. Adapt to change, be open to adapting your skills to evolving circumstances. Flexibility is crucial in dynamic and rapidly changing environments. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge achievements, celebrate small victories and milestones along the way. Recognizing progress boosts motivation and reinforces the importance of continuous improvement. Evaluate and adjust. Regular assessments, periodically assess your progress against your goals. Evaluate what's working well and where adjustments are needed. Modify learning plan, adjust your learning plan based on feedback and changing circumstances. Flexibility in your approach is key to sustained improvement. Improving skills is an iterative process that requires commitment, dedication, and a proactive approach. By consistently applying these strategies, you can enhance your abilities and stay relevant in your chosen field. Side hustle. Side hustle refers to a secondary job or business that individuals undertake in addition to their primary source of income, often to pursue a passion, explore entrepreneurial interests, or supplement their earnings. Side hustles have become increasingly popular as a way for people to diversify their income streams and pursue personal or financial goals. Here are some key aspects to consider. Characteristics of a side hustle. Part-time nature. Side hustles are typically part-time activities that individuals engage in outside of their regular working hours or primary responsibilities. Flexible. One of the defining features of a side hustle is its flexibility. It allows individuals to balance their primary job, family commitments, and other responsibilities. Entrepreneurial in nature. Many side hustles involve entrepreneurial activities, such as freelancing, consulting, selling products or services, or starting a small business. Passion or interest-driven. Side hustles often revolve around individuals' passions, hobbies, or interests. They provide an opportunity to explore and monetize what one enjoys doing. Supplementary income. While the primary job provides the main source of income, a side hustle is typically pursued to supplement earnings, save for specific goals, or pay off debts. Reasons people pursue side hustles. Financial goals. Many people engage in side hustles to achieve specific financial objectives, such as paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Entrepreneurial aspirations. Side hustles offer a low-risk way to test entrepreneurial ideas, allowing individuals to explore business opportunities without leaving their full-time jobs. Skill development. Side hustles provide a platform for individuals to develop and enhance skills, whether they are related to their primary profession or new areas of interest. Passion pursuit. People often turn their hobbies or passions into side hustles to derive personal satisfaction and fulfillment from their work. Diversification of income. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Side hustles help individuals diversify their income streams, providing a financial safety net. Career transition. Some use side hustles as a bridge to transition into a new career. It allows individuals to gain experience and build a foundation before making a full-time switch. Challenges and considerations. Time management. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job and personal life requires effective time management to avoid burnout. Potential conflicts of interest. Individuals should be aware of any conflicts of interest that may arise between their primary job and side hustle. Some employers may have policies addressing this. Legal and tax considerations. Depending on the nature of the side hustle, individuals may need to consider legal and tax implications, such as registering a business or reporting additional income. Market research. Before starting a side hustle, it's important to conduct market research to understand the demand for products or services and identify competitors. Examples of side hustles. Freelancing, offering services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or consulting. E-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Tutoring or coaching. Providing tutoring services or coaching in areas of expertise. Social media influencing. Monetizing a social media presence through sponsored content or affiliate marketing. Photography. Offering photography services for events, portraits, or stock photo platforms. Online courses or workshops. Creating and selling online courses or workshops. Conclusion. Side hustles have become a popular avenue for individuals to explore their passions, achieve financial goals, and gain entrepreneurial experience. While they come with challenges, proper planning, time management, and dedication can turn a side hustle into a fulfilling and lucrative endeavor.